Joey over here at Midway. We've got the Raptor 310 here. It's a little bit more versatile than your average toy hauler. You got party deck out here. You can put this down, keep the bugs out of the main area here by putting this screen down. And obviously this deck will come down so you can move all your toys on the inside too. So a little bit of a two-purpose backside to it here. Let's move on over here to this side of the camper here and we'll go around. So obviously tons of storage on the front side here. You also have a generator, 5500 Onan, plus also there's lithium on this one. So a little bit more durability, and you can go into a little bit different places in different temperatures than you normally would. Either side has the propane tanks on the first side here. This is access to the same storage that we saw on the front side, so you have access to all your stuff rather than having to crawl in there and get everything in one door. Obviously got the power awning here too. You're gonna have your weatherproof speakers on the outside here as well. The lighting above the door is gonna illuminate all of this as well too. It's also got auto level. Everybody likes auto level.
What's that?
Everybody likes auto level. So a couple cool things on the back here too. Propane here. Then all your outdoor shower access to your tanks in this side here. These ones come with really good instructions on how to use everything, already a part of it, so it doesn't make anything difficult. You'll see your endless water heater here too, so on-demand water. That just means that every time you turn on the water, it's gonna be hot. You don't have a tank that you're relying on to heat up, and then you have access to that water. This is straight away just like your house. And then in the back, there's actually a cool little feature that not everybody knows that these have, but it's got an onboard fueling station as well. So you bring your toys up into the mountains, you don't have to go all the way back or bring tons of tanks and use up any of the storage here either. All right, let's go on inside. It's an open floor concept with the toy hauler, but the nice part about it is it's super versatile. So you can put your toys in here, but then when you move them out and everything, you do have chairs. So you have the two beds here. These are also couches, but you also have the loft here too, so you can bring this down, add more sleeping space, bring the whole family, bring all the friends. And then in the kitchen area, you're gonna have tons of space here for everything that you need, as well as all the cupboard space that you need. You have a ton of storage space for all your other needs. There's a vent in this side here too. You'll see a couple of them. Those are to just open the place up so it doesn't smell like any of your toys, any gasoline. You just pop these open and then you can just air out the whole place. But tons of storage, tons of room on the counter, and then a double door fridge as well. This here's your access to all of the levels of your fueling station, your generator, your slide, your awning, all that. So you do have a door that slides here too. Another big piece about this, it's not gonna block your steps coming up. So sliding door here, as well as a lot of space in the shower and the sink area. So there's a lot of room in here, not taking away space from the living area either. So walk around queen bed. You also have charging stations here on either side of the nightstands, and there's tons of room on these as well. CPAP machines, anything else you need to put on here, there's tons of room for that, as well as overhead. You have a ledge here for any extras, but also the other part I like about these is that on this rear slide here, you're gonna have tons of closet space for anything else. There's a ton of room in the actual bedroom. Ooh, what is this? And there's a little vanity thing. You can get all your makeup and stuff goes in here. Your mustache wax, you can put your mustache wax in here and get ready with this little mirror. That's really cool. So this actually comes with about $27,000 of extra equipment on here that we've put on it, but we didn't raise the price for you or anything. MSRP is gonna put you at 95. We're gonna discount it right around 20 grand for you, put it at 74,995. Down here at 6260 South Frontage Road in Billings, Montana, come down, ask for Joey, and I'll show you through the whole thing.